Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this quick video, I'm going to tell you how early you should be ordering cabinets for a renovation project. Currently, in April of 2022. Wow, I can't believe it's April. That's crazy. Anyways, if you are ordering cabinets in the year 2022, what I recommend is that you order cabinets at the start or before your project. The usual timeline that you need to assume for cabinets, especially for a kitchen, for a large order, is going to be 16 weeks from a what's called a ready to assemble cabinetry, pre-built or custom. Any of those, the range is going to be anywhere from 12 to 16 weeks. Plan for 4 months before you need to be doing the install. That's when you need to be buying and ordering the cabinets. If you need help designing a kitchen where you're like, man, I just don't know what to do here, I need some professional help, we do that at Home Love Construction. You can go to homelove.construction/design to get our help with designing your kitchen starting right now. So go to that link, homelove.construction/design, and we will help you with your kitchen. I hope this video helped you. If you have a question that isn't answered in one of these videos, please send an email to homeloveconstruction@gmail.com or go to our website and click a contact form and submit that to us, and we will make a video answering your question, but only if it's a good question. Ask a really good question. Ask one that I haven't answered before. I would really love that from you specifically. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next vid. Peace.